Namaskar friends, I Puram Dogra welcome you all and hope you and your family are safe and doing very well. Now friends, today we will discuss types of lithium ion batteries, and in our last video we have already covered lithium ion batteries, its introduction, its some applications and its advantages, disadvantages and composition, etc. And if you haven't gone through that video, I'll drop the link below. Please go through it. And friends, as lithium ion is the key component in lithium ion batteries, but still other metals like cobalt, nickel, aluminium are being used in the composition of electrodes, both positive or negative. So based on this composition of electrodes, types of lithium-ion batteries are defined, and these types have different properties and are used for different applications. So today we will discuss its types, their applications, their differences, their properties and all. So let's go. Now friends, based on the composition of electrodes, lithium-ion batteries are divided into 6 main groups. The video will be covered in parts. So the first one is lithium cobalt oxide, and in short form LCO, and its chemical formula is LiCoO2. Friends, lithium cobalt oxide batteries can be seen everywhere. Like most of us carry it in our mobile phones. In fact, the first lithium-ion battery have lithium cobalt oxide as its cathode chemistry, or we can say positive electrode. And approx 60% cobalt is involved in its cathode's composition. And coming to anode, it's of graphite. Now friends, look at this table which is given at the top. And friends, here I want to mention that I did a lot of work to make this table for every type so that I can make you understand better, and I want you to comment below that my efforts are fruitful or not. Now coming back to the table, 6 properties are being described here, like voltage, that how much voltage it is having, and specific energy. Specific energy is energy per unit mass, like how much energy can be stored in 1 kg of that material. Properties like lifespan, safety, price, you know very well. And thermal runaway. Thermal runaway is the temperature at which or after which your battery get failed or disturbed. Now let's see all these properties for lithium cobalt oxide. For lithium cobalt oxide, voltage is moderate, it's 3.6 volt, and specific energy is very high, within a range of 150 to 200 watt-hour per kg. This is one of the main property because of which lithium cobalt oxide are being used in cell phones, laptops, because a small amount of weight can handle high energy. It has a lifespan of 500 to 1000 cycles. With cycles we mean a complete charging and discharging process. Now safety is a concern with these batteries. At high charging, or we can say if we continue charging after its full charge, these batteries may get thermal runaway at a temperature above 150 degrees Celsius. The price of these batteries is high as cobalt is expensive metal. Concluding lithium cobalt oxide with a summary. Its pros are high specific energy and fast charging capability. Talking about cons, it has short lifespan. These batteries are not safe as other types, or we can say it has low thermal stability. And also, lithium cobalt oxide has limited specific power, which means it can deliver limited current to the device. I have already mentioned cobalt is expensive, so the market share of these batteries has been stabilized. The applications of lithium cobalt oxides are portable electronic devices like cell phones, laptop, tablets, electronic cameras, etc. Now friends, I hope you learned something about lithium cobalt oxide batteries, why we use them for a particular type of application for electronic devices only, their composition, their properties, their applications. So how you find this video? Please give your reviews in the comment section below, and if you have any queries or you want any topic to discuss, please comment below. So finally it's time to say bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Stay connected, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.